Hi, I'm Phyllis Gleason. I'm the controller for cash management for Morguard. We're a real estate development and property management company in Canada and the US. We looked at it almost as an opportunity because it really pushed our automation and digitization forward by at least 3 years. We had an awful lot of requests from senior management, well, and different groups actually, not necessarily just the executive, to provide visibility or provide information using Concur Expense. So we created a number of custom reports that we were able to provide to different groups for their different needs. The mobile app eliminated the need for a lot of my users to gather their paper, gather their receipts, get into an office or sit down in front of a computer to manage to all of that paper that goes with the receipts. So the mobile app was huge. And of course, Expensive just made it a lot more efficient and a lot easier. This type of tool, this type of technology is quicker, more efficient, certainly more efficient for my users, the people on the sites that are revenue producing, and incredibly accurate. Plus, really less expensive than a lot of our other processing. It replaces a lot of that AP transaction, that accounts payable transacting. There's a significant cost savings to that. Real-time information, or as close to real-time as you can get it, really allows everybody, whether they're on the ground floor or whether they're sitting at the executive level, the senior management level, it really helps with making decisions, mitigating the risk, getting decision-making done quickly, and being very comfortable with the information you're using to base your decisions on is viable, it's credible, it's solid information. You're relying on the tools and you're confident that the information you're using to base those decisions on is solid and is correct. Think out of the box. Be agile. Be patient. Some of the projects are bigger than others. If you want to use automation and technology, you have to be very conscious of change management in your organization, and you have to be very conscious of your user experience. We're a real estate company. We're not a software company. So if I can rely on SAP Concur to advance the technology, advance the tools, offer more solutions, we can focus as an organization on producing revenue and producing the information or the work that all of my stakeholders are relying on.